by, see, even though even now bunch of kids are going around, they are more krama brahmacharis, small kids, but adult, legally adult, a clear decision making adult with all these powers, demonstrating them, and sannyasi going around telling the world what is possible. By this Jayanti, we will have at least few release from Gurukul. Now I have to tell the world. I have to tell the world. You guys gave me your kids and see what I made out of them. Not just this third eye. Not just this third eye. The way they are going to live a conflict-free, highest conscious, radiating joy and ecstasy, spiritual powers and enlightenment, everything. The first batch of sannyasis from Gurukul. I'm also going to send them officially for Parivraj Yatra. Formally, they are going to do Parivraj Yatra. I'm just preparing their body and mind. Now it is time. World need to know what seeking can do to your brain. What seeking can do to your brain. Just this few kids, my first batch, sending them all over the world is enough. In 2 years, I will have 10,000 kids here doing PhD in Hinduism. I will have Vidyalaya also, means regular school also, but separately. I'm going to divide both, maybe by within next 2-3 years. I'll also show to the world, even as a Grihastha, doing PhD in Hinduism pays you. It's a career. I'll establish that. It's not just joblessness, it's a career. Like career in chemistry, medicine, law, engineering. It's a career which is not affected by global recession. All other fields will be affected by global recession. This will never be affected by global recession, because even during the global recession, they will have more customers and clients. Because these guys are going to remove the suffering. Now I have so much freedom. I'm going to put a few kids to do PhD in economics as per Hinduism, construction as per Hinduism, astrology. Actually, in Hindu tradition, astrology and astronomy are very closely associated. Doing PhD in that line, and doing research on the rituals, different departments like Vaimanika Shastra, everything. Above all, I'll make them demonstrate powers. I think that will be the real way the world will understand what I am doing here. Seeking can change your very brain map. Understand? It can change the very way your brain thinks. The very way the brain functions. The very way brain cognizes. I know in 2-3 years, 10,000 kids will be there. 10,000 is a small number, I am telling. Will be here to do Hinduism PhD. But these first 41 kids are historical batch. Just like first batch of Gurukul. 10 years before when I started the Gurukul, first batch, like that, it's the first batch of Balasans. The boldness the parents showed, boldness the kids showed, I really want to put this on record. Thank you guys. You are the future of Hinduism. The courage parents showed, the clarity kids demonstrated. The way things are going to flower, I tell you guys, Veda Mata is celebrating all of you. The whole Kailasa and Vaikunta is celebrating you guys. Celebrating this happening. They are all celebrating this happening because they know what this means for their future. Devatas, gods know what this means their future because they are going to get more havis, more avirbhaga, more puja, more worship, more respect. So they know what it means for their future. I can say the foundation, the real foundation for Sarvajñapita is done with these 41 kids. If you are given one kid, understand you are given 100 crore to Sarvajñapita. Not just one, you are given 100 crore to Sarvajñapita. Because even with 100 crores, what am I going to do? Only if the kids are there to study, I can educate them, evolve them, make them express these powers and energy and train them and send to the world. So if you have given one kid to be Balasant, you have given 100 crore. I'm telling you. Much more than 100 crores. I'm just giving a rough kind, just to equate. Because we understand only numbers now.